Every phone call starts the same way. So when is it happening for you? Like my life's a waiting room, and the clock's louder than the truth. They count my years like deadlines, measure my body like time, as if love is a checklist, as if peace ain't mine. I'm not behind, I'm not broken, I just took a different road. Stop treating my becoming like a problem to be solved. Leave me alone, I'm not late, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. You worry about your husband, your kids, your legacy. Leave me alone, let me breathe. I don't owe you an explanation. This body, this life, this timing is not a public conversation. They whisper prayers I didn't ask for, light candles for my womb, like I'm incomplete without a ring, like silence equals doom. They say time is running out, but I feel full when I wake. I'm building joy in quiet rooms, I'm not rushing my fate. I don't need a crowd to validate me, or a baby to feel whole. Stop projecting your fear of loneliness onto my soul. Leave me alone, I'm not late, I'm not racing anybody else. You chose your path, I chose mine. Please let me live it myself. Leave me alone, don't pity me, don't plan my life for me. I'm not your cautionary tale, I'm just a woman choosing peace. Marriage is not a medal, motherhood is not a cure. Love doesn't come on demand, and I refuse to force what's unsure. If it comes with softness. If it doesn't, I'll still stand. I am not afraid of my future, I'm afraid of living planned. Stop asking what I'm waiting for, I'm not waiting, I'm living. Stop telling me who I should be, I already made my decision. Leave me alone, I'm enough with or without your approval. Go focus on your own life, this one is not communal. Leave me alone, trust my pace, I know my heart, I know my name. I'm not late to anything, I arrived exactly when I came. I don't need to prove my womanhood by pain or permanence. I just need you to mind your business and let me exist. I learned to flinch before I learned to pray. Your voice was the storm in my childhood days. You called it love, but it cut like a knife. I grew up apologizing for my life. I was too loud, too soft, too much, too weak. Every mirror learned how to speak. With your words carved into my skin, I thought pain was just how love begins. They say a mother's arms are home, but I felt lonely in kept trying to earn your grace while losing myself in the space. You were my first bully, my first star, the voice in my head, the reason I'm hard. I went to therapy to learn my name, to untangle love from guilt and shame. I didn't leave because I hate you, Mom. I left so I wouldn't become undone. But don't leave, I'll stay and bleed. I chose myself, I chose to heal, I chose me. Oh. I made excuses, said you did your best, but your trauma lived inside my chest. I carried your anger like it was mine, calling it loyalty, calling it time. Every boundary felt like a crime. I was the villain for wanting peace of mind. You needed control, I needed air. You needed silence, I needed care. I loved you harder than I loved myself. Put your feelings above my health. But love that hurts isn't love at all. It's just fear dressed